Lean manufacturing and tools for improvement. A systematic approach to identifying and eliminating waste, non-value-added activities, through continuous improvement by flowing the product at the pull of the customer in pursuit of perfection. Lean manufacturing, a way to eliminate waste and improve efficiency in a manufacturing environment. Lean focuses on flow, the value stream, and eliminating MUDA, the Japanese word for waste. Lean manufacturing is the production of goods using less of everything compared to traditional mass production, less waste, human effort, manufacturing space, investment in tools, inventory, and engineering time to develop a new product. Lean manufacturing is sometimes called the Toyota Production System, TPS, because Toyota Motor. Companies AG Toyota and Taichuyi Ono are given credit for its approach and innovations. Waste is anything that happens to a product that does not add value from the customer's perspective. Products being stored, inspected or delayed, products waiting in queues, and defective products that do not add value. In order to achieve a lean manufacturing operation, we must eliminate these wastes to make our product customer satisfactory, of high value, low cost, and made in shortest possible time. Taichi Ono, 1912 to 1990, the Toyota executive who was the most brutal enemy of waste human history has produced, identified the first 8 types of MUDA in manufacturing system. 1. Defects. 2. Overproduction. 3. Waiting, queues. 4. Non-utilized talent. 5. Transportation. 6. Inventory. 7. Motion. 8. Extra processing. 1. Defects of products or services that are out of specification that require resources to correct. 2. Overproduction, producing more than the customer orders or producing early. Inventory of any kind is usually waste. 3. Waiting, idle time, storage, and waiting are wastes. 4. Non-utilized talent employees that are not effectively engaged in the process. 5. Transportation, moving material between plants, between work centers, and handling more than once is waste. 6. Inventory, unnecessary raw material, work in process, WIP, finished goods, and excess operating supplies. 7. Motion, people, information or equipment making unnecessary motion due to workspace layout, ergonomic issues or searching for misplaced items. 8. Extra processing, performing any activity that is not necessary to produce a functioning product or service. Hoshin Planning is a 7-step process used as part of strategic planning, in which goals are communicated and shared throughout the company, and then put into action. The purpose of Hoshin Planning is to improve communications throughout the company, whilst also reducing the waste created by poor direction or bad management at any level. For this reason, companies that use Hoshin Planning often follow a think, plan, implement, and review process. Step 1. Establish the vision and assess the current state. Step 2. Develop breakthrough/long-term objectives. Step 3. Define annual objectives. Step 4. Cascade goals throughout the organization. HEIJUNKA, the art of leveling production. HEIJUNKA is a lean method for reducing the unevenness in a production process and minimizing the chance of overburden. The term HEIJUNKA comes from Japanese and literally means leveling. It can help you react to demand changes and utilize your capacity in the best possible way. JIDOKA is a lean method that is widely adopted in manufacturing and product development. Also known as automation, it is a simple way of protecting your company from delivering products of low quality or defects to your customers while trying to keep up your tag time. JIDOKA system consists of certain common automation systems like JIDOKA and ANDON System. ANDON System serves as a warning system to signal and identify problems in the process. A visual and/or audible communication system that notifies everyone of abnormalities in a process when support or attention is needed. This can be triggered automatically or manually by a machine or person. It could be a cord that is manually pulled, often seen on an assembly line. Light, red, yellow and green colors. Flag, also red, yellow and green, that is placed in a holder or flip to signal a problem. Poka-yoke is a Japanese term that means mistake proofing or inadvertent error prevention. Poka-yoke is lean mechanism for human error prevention. A poka-yoke is system by which in any process an equipment operator avoid, yokaru, doing mistakes, poka. 1. Value, specify and define value of the product from customer's point of view. 2. Value stream, identify all the steps in the value stream for each product family, eliminating whenever possible those steps that do not create value. 3. Flow, make the value-creating steps in tight sequence so the product will flow smoothly toward the customer. 4. Pull, make only what is needed by the customer, short-term response to customer rate of demand. 5. Perfection, strive for perfection by continuous improvement. 5S. Single-minute exchange of dies, SMED. JIT, just-in-time. Kanban. Cellular Manufacturing. Standardized work. Total productive maintenance. "5S" stands for Sort, Siri to separate needed tools, parts, and instructions from unneeded materials and to remove the unneeded ones. Set in order, Seaton to neatly arrange and identify parts and tools for ease of use. Shine, Saizo to conduct a cleanup campaign. Standardize, Saiketsu to conduct Siri, Seaton, and Saizo daily to maintain a workplace in perfect condition. Sustain/self-discipline, Shitsuk to form the habit of always following the first 4 S's. In some quarters, 5S has become 6S, the sixth element being safety, safe. "1S" sorting goals. Reduce time loss looking for an item by reducing the number of items. Increase the amount of available, useful space. Increase safety by eliminating obstacles. 2S set in order goals. Make the workflow smooth and easy. 3S shine goals. Keep the workplace safe and easy to work in. When in place, anyone not familiar to the environment must be able to detect any problems within 50 feet in 5 seconds. 4S standardize goals. Establish procedures and schedules to ensure the repetition of the first 3S practices. 5S sustain/self-discipline goals. Ensure that the 5S approach is followed. Increases organization and efficiency. Avoids wasted motion. Increases safety. Eliminates unnecessary inventory. Offers improvements at an inexpensive cost. Method that focuses on the rapid conversion from manufacturing one product to the next. This system believes in dramatically reducing the time it takes to complete equipment changeovers. A perfect example of quick changeover is a pit crew at a racetrack. How quickly the company gets the car in and out of the pit can mean the difference between winning and losing. Benefits. Increases productivity by reducing setup times. Eliminates setup errors. Increases safety. Reduces the cost of setups. Reduces waiting times and inventory buildups. Decreases the required skill level of the operators. Just-in-time, JIT, as the name suggests, is a management philosophy that calls to produce what the customer wants, when they want it, in the quantities requested, where they want it, without it being delayed in inventory. So, instead of building large stocks of what you think the customer might want, you only make exactly what the customer asks for when they ask for it. This allows you to concentrate your resources on only fulfilling what you are going to be paid for rather than building for stock. Reliable equipment and machines. Well-designed work cells, cellular cells. Quality improvements. Pull production. Single-piece flow. Flow at the beat of the customer. Benefits. Reduction in the order-to-payment timeline. Reduction in inventory costs. Reduction in space required. Reduction in handling equipment and other costs. Reduced planning complexity. A system that uses replenishment signals to simplify inventory management. Signals, usually cards, hold product details. What to make, when to make it, how much to make, and where to send it. Cards stay attached to a bin that holds the product. When bin is empty, it is returned to the start of the assembly line for replenishment. Full bins are returned to the customer, and the cycle continues. Benefits. Highly visible systems. Simple, effective, and inexpensive. Reduces inventory and eliminates stockouts. Improves the quality of service. Improves lead times. Cellular manufacturing is a lean manufacturing approach for process improvement. In cellular manufacturing, production workstations and equipment are arranged in a sequence that supports a smooth flow of materials and components through the production process with minimal transport or delay. Benefits. Simplifies material flow and management. Reduces interdepartmental travel. Reduces throughout time. Reduces lot sizes. Simplifies scheduling. Standardized work is a simple concept. It refers to the process of documenting methods, processes, materials, tools, processing times, and more. At its core, it is about ensuring your operations run as smoothly as possible and your process improvement strategy is constantly evolving and being adopted by your employees. The objective is to clearly communicate to the operator exactly how the job should be performed. As communication is the key to improvement, it should be done in a standard way. Benefits. Best practices are followed. Process improvement never ends. Reduces waste. Improves scaling efforts. Makes abnormalities more visible. Less time spent on guesswork. TPM, Total Productive Maintenance, is a holistic approach to equipment maintenance that strives to achieve perfect production. TPM emphasizes proactive and preventative maintenance to maximize the operational efficiency of equipment. In the right environment, this can be very effective in improving productivity, increasing uptime, reducing cycle times, and eliminating defects. Benefits. No major breakdowns. No unplanned downtime. No small stops or slow running. No defects. In addition, it values a safe working environment, no accidents. 1. Greater productivity. Applying a lean methodology involves eliminating tasks that add no value to the customer, referred to as waste. Removing these from processes drives productivity as it means the workforce only engages in activities that benefit the customer. 2. Smoother operations. Once non-value-adding activities, waste, have been removed from processes, the focus is on making the remaining value-adding steps flow smoothly with no interruptions, delays, or bottlenecks. 3. Greater flexibility and responsiveness. With more streamlined processes, you will be better able to meet demands at the pull of the customer. 4. Eliminates defects. Much of the activity involved in a lean methodology is geared towards eliminating defects so that products are made right first time, every time. 5. Improved product quality. Lean tools like error proofing and ANDON strengthen the process and prevent recurrence of the problem. As a result, the quality of your product is improved. 6. Reduce lead time. Applying a lean methodology and removing non-value-adding steps, you'll reduce lead times and be better able to meet demands. 7. Increased customer satisfaction. This is what lean is all about, maintaining happy customers. By removing waste and streamlining processes, you can deliver exactly what the customer wants, when they want it. 8. Improved staff morale. Lean creates an environment where they can raise ideas for improvements and contribute towards better ways of working. Engaging them in this process results in increased staff satisfaction and retention. Staff feel more motivated, more confident of their role in the bigger picture, and more fulfilled. 9. Safer working environment. Employees benefit from a safer working environment where risks have been reduced via 5. 5S and TPM leading to a safer environment. As we all came across the basics of lean manufacturing, its tools and their benefits, we will further investigate one of the case studies we came across during our research. This case study is related to one of India's leading footwear manufacturer. Even though being the market leader in footwear manufacturing, they were facing certain major problems in their plant as following: lower productivity, less space, untidy workspace, mix-up of materials, delay in customer delivery. Their MD was worried that due to these issues, they might not hold their position of leading player in the continuously improving market. Thus their MD picked and nominated a team of employees to implement lean manufacturing in their plant. All the lean activities were implemented successfully and following benefits were observed in the company. Production average was 900 pairs/day, but after lean implementation got increased to 1,200 pairs/day. Finishing activity was utilizing more time during delivery, but after lean all items were processed till final packing, leading to saving of timing during delivery. Shop floor was well maintained and organized. Machine health condition was well maintained and decreased in total downtime. Employees' morale was increased as there were less problems and well-organized environment to work in. Thus, lean manufacturing helped the company tackle their various problems and improve their overall quality, productivity and employees' morale to keep striving for more improvement in the company. Applying lean manufacturing improves the flexibility of the organization and the quality of operations, reduces the goods in stock, improves the functioning of the process, eliminating activities that do not add value. It is better utilization of human resources, improving the organization of work and employee satisfaction, and ultimately, the most important, increases customer satisfaction. Thus, the purpose of the lean manufacturing is to lead the organization into becoming world's leading organization in terms of quality, through a constant effort of waste reduction and continuous improvement. Q&A, comment below. Thank you.